How would you like to make $80 an hour simply by taking some short little videos on your phone? No, not too good to be true. You can actually make some extra cash shooting some quick little videos on your phone. Hey, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to do this so you can make some extra cash in your spare time. The website that we're working with today is actually called ProductTube, and I'm gonna show you on my computer what we're looking at here so we can see it at the same time. Now, this is the ProductTube website, and they've got lots of great information here for you so you really understand how it all works. Basically, from their main website, you sign up and you download the app on your phone. Then you get invited to do basically little video projects right from your cell phone, and they give you really basic instructions to follow as you record different product experiences. You upload the video file and then you get paid within 48 hours, and they actually pay you through Amazon gift certificates. And if you're anything like us, you can spend a lot of money on Amazon, so that's a great way to get paid out. Now, how much can you make? It really depends on how many surveys that you qualify for, how many invites you receive, and how many that you actually do. But they say that you're looking at $80 for 1 hour of work. And the different projects that come up will pay differently. They'll range based on their size and how much effort's involved. They range from like typically up to $50, $55 or more, depending on the size of the project. Now, there's two different types of projects that they offer. In-store videos, where you're actually shooting a video of you in a store, and also you sitting at home just shooting a video on your smartphone. So you don't even have to leave home to do this. If you see here, here's a quick example of what an in-store video looks like. She talks through what the instructions tell her, and she's just showing herself. She's showing what she's seeing in the store. Here's an at home. Someone just put up their smartphone, started recording, and there you went. Now, testimonials, I did dig around to make sure that this is really legit and that there's some good reviews, and there are. So this is available both on Android and Apple devices. There's over 600 reviews on Google Play, and it has a score of 4.4 stars, which is pretty darn good. And you'll see right here, people are actually getting paid. You will be paid within a day or two. Amazon gift cards. Super fun and easy. Now, this isn't full-time work. It's just a way to make some extra cash. So you will see this in the reviews, that they're getting 1 or 2 projects to do a week. So they're getting some extra cash, but it's not a full-time gig. On Apple Store, they actually have 4.6 out of 5 stars. Fun and easy way to make money. A lot of people really like this. The biggest complaint is that they just wish there was more to do. So in order to get started with this today, you can actually just go to your App Store, download the ProductTube app, and simply walk through the process of getting signed up, and then just look for projects that you qualify for and want to do. And you can make some cash in your free time. They only take a few minutes. Now, one thing that I do want to mention, in case you are worried about privacy, if you're going to shoot a video, where is it going to end up? Well, they say right on their website that it is for market research purposes only. It's never going to be shared to any website or used directly in advertising or marketing. That's a little refreshing if you're concerned at all about shooting videos and not knowing where they're going to show up. Now, if you're looking for more than just a little extra cash in your wallet, you actually want a sustainable income online that you get paid from, whether you're actively working or you're on vacation. Then you definitely need to click the link at the top of the description for our training that's going to walk you through how to go from 0 to 6 figures online, and then 6 figures and beyond. So grab access to that. Just click the link at the top of the description. And now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So in order to help you out, guess what? You're gonna have to subscribe. So hit that subscribe button, say hi so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com. Head over to this video floating up above my head, and I'll see you soon.